My name is Jenny and I'm just going to show you how I do the front crawl. Pooh! And again, but a bit slower this time. First of all, you have to stand next to the side. Bend forward and put your head in the water. Now jump up with both feet at the same time. Can you see? Your heels and your bottom are very close together. Now push off hard. You are completely under the water. You slip through the water like a submarine. Breathe out slowly. Start with a leg stroke. Keep your arms forward. The kick comes from the hips. Make a strong downward motion. Make a relaxed upwards motion. Now pull one hand through the water down to your leg. Make sure that you twist your wrist downwards too, so that you scoop the water. Now stick your elbow up as far as you can whilst pushing the water towards your thigh. Stretch the other arm out in front as far as you can, as if you were reaching for an apple on the tree. The right hand comes out of the water at your hip. At the same time, turn your head to one side to take a breath. Now, loosen your right arm and swing it forward. Bend your elbow into. Breathe in as you look to the side. At the same time, push your left hand away under your body. Put your right hand in the water, up in front of your head. The left hand keeps on pushing the water towards your feet. Now stretch your right arm forward as far as you can. As you do this, your face will go back in the water. The left hand now reaches your hip. Start breathing out through your mouth and nose. The new arm cycle starts all over again. You should be looking ahead down to the bottom of the pool. As you pull your right arm down to your thigh, the left one swings forwards. If you use alternating arm strokes and 6 leg strokes per arm cycle, your front crawl action will be perfect.
Are you all